Okay, so Jean-Cyril, can you just tell me what treatment did you decide to have with Praga Medical?
So with Praga Medical, I had a really bad tooth because I was really scared by the past to go to the dentist. So I go there and we agreed with the doctor to make the crown, also beautiful. And we also prepare the work for the implant in future. We are forecasting in a couple of months.
And what convinced you to go with Praga Medical?
So at the beginning I was looking on an internet review, who was quite positive. I go there, I had the chance to meet Lucy, who is a so lovely person, friendly, who take time to answer all my questions. Then I meet the medical team, who was also really friendly and who also, what was important for me, to take a time to answer to my doubt and so on, and to clearly explain all the steps.
And can you just describe briefly the whole procedure? Like, did you contact Lucy over the phone?
So with Lucy, in fact, I contacted her by the form who is available on the website. She called me back maybe half hour after, something really quick. We had a short call, we agreed on an appointment, it was 2 or 3 days after, really short time. We go there and it was the first one when we look on all the work who have to be done, and yeah, really quick and efficient. Then we was in regular contact with Lucy when I had to update the schedule, or on her side it was really convenient, really easy.
Great. So how was your overall experience?
Let's say that if I have to shortest and to resume it, that 3 months ago I was really scared of dentists. Now I'm still scared, but I know one place where I will be again.
Yeah, and the outcome is amazing. Like, your teeth look great.
Yes, and all the treatment was painless, what was also really surprising, let's say. All the advice was really good. As you see, the result is just amazing, unexpected to buy this quality. So no, just perfect.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.